Gracie, and this is my mom, Carrie.
Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel, LDT Eats. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make Baked Ziti. So let's get started.
The ingredients that you're going to need are penne pasta or whatever pasta of your choosing, fresh garlic or garlic powder if you don't have any fresh garlic, some shredded mozzarella, some whole milk ricotta cheese, a pound of hamburger, then some spaghetti sauce. Now you can use any kind of spaghetti sauce you want, your own or what, but because I'm just doing it really fast for my family, this is what I have in my pantry. We're gonna start by cooking up the hamburger meat while the water is boiling. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cook up the hamburger meat. Let this meat cook up. And now that my water is boiling already, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my pasta. Go ahead and put that in there for me, please. We cook the pasta for about 10 minutes. Even though the box says 11, I cook it for 10 minutes because when it goes into the oven, it's gonna even cook more. You don't want the noodles to get too soft. As my pasta is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and stir this hamburger meat out. And stir this hamburger meat. And Gracie, you can go ahead and control the pasta, so every once in a while, stir it. Make sure it's not sticking to the bottom. Just like this. Because I feel like at the bottom it's sticky, so you want to try to move it around. See how I'm doing it? Like this. Move it all the way around, and just go up and down until you get to the other side, and then go all the way around again. Okay? Is there anything that you need to ask that you'd like to know? Maybe our viewers like to know?
You put anything in the water that you put?
I don't put anything in the water, like salt or oils or anything like that. You can if you want to, but I'm not. It's all gonna go into a big pan anyways, so it won't have time to get stuck together. Okay, so this is pretty much done. So I'm gonna go to the sink and drain whatever's leftover water there is. I'm gonna drain that out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I already drained this out, I'm gonna throw in some fresh garlic, about 2 teaspoonsful. If you like garlic a lot, you could put a lot more than that. I'm gonna mix this together. I'm gonna go ahead and put some sauce. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some sauce in it. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix up the meat. You want this pasta to be a little more al dente than less, because when it goes into the oven, it's even gonna cook more. So that way, after it gets into the oven and cooks more, it'll be just right. It won't be too soggy and it won't be too hard. Okay, so now the pasta is just right, so we're gonna go ahead and drain the pasta out in the sink. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I just transferred the pasta into this aluminum pan. I'm going to have Gracie put the ricotta cheese in.
The whole thing?
Yep, the whole thing. Put it right in there.
Just pop it.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Good job. Okay, so scrape it like this. Just like this. Now just take it easy. You don't have to go too fast, okay? And then if it doesn't come off your knife, scrape it off like this, and then do it, okay? Just so that you know. Just so you know the next time, okay? All right, so now I'm going to throw in the whole thing of this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just mix all this in together. I know it kind of looks like a lot of sauce in here, more than pasta, but when you put the cheese in there, the mozzarella cheese, it's going to soak up all that sauce. So you just keep on mixing this together until all the ricotta cheese is mixed around. Okay, now I'm going to throw in some mozzarella. No, not the whole bag, but maybe half that bag. Now I'm going to mix this mozzarella around so that it's all distributed into the pasta. Gracie, can you turn on the oven at 400, please? I'm supposed to put the oven on, sorry guys. So you're going to take this whole thing and put it in the oven at 400 degrees, and you're going to let it bake for about, I'd say 15 to 20 minutes, so that all the mozzarella is going to melt in the middle and in between the pastas. Now that's done, I'm going to go ahead and put some cheese over top of it to coat it. My family loves cheese, so this is a must for them. So I'm going to coat this really good with the cheese. Okay, so now that's done, I'm going to go ahead and place this in the oven and wait for about 20 minutes, and then it should be done. So we'll be back. This is done. This is what you want it to look like. Look how nice that looks. Okay, so I don't eat meat and my family does, so she's going to do the taste testing. We thank you guys so much for hanging out with us, and we hope you guys join us for another meal. Until next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye!
bye guys, God bless.